How to make DIY phone case with Cricut. Step 1. In Cricut Design Space, select an image or an SVG to work with. Step 2. Once the design populates in the canvas, go to the Shapes tool and select a square for the template. Step 3. With the square selected, click on the Color Swatch button and change the color. Step 4. Then resize the template to the measurement of the phone case. Step 5. Select the design, resize it or rotate it to fit into the phone case. Step 6. Right-click on the template and select Send to Back. Step 7. Then drag the design on top of the template. Step 8. If you wish to add text, click on the Text tool and type in a quote or word of your choice. Step 9. Click on the Fonts drop-down menu and select one for the text. Step 10. Once your design is ready, select it and click on Weld. Step 11. Click on Make It, reposition the design and click Continue. Step 12. Then make sure that your machine is set to vinyl. Step 13. Place the vinyl onto the cutting mat, smooth it down, load it and start cutting. Step 14. Once it's done cutting, unload the mat by pressing the up and down arrow button. Step 15. Remove the vinyl from the mat and weed it out. Step 16. Now, take a transfer tape, place it on top of the vinyl and use the scraper to ensure that the vinyl sticks to the transfer tape. Step 17. Get the phone case, remove the backing from the design, then place the tape onto the case. Step 18. Smooth it down using a scraper tool to ensure that the design transfers to the case. Step 19. Once done, peel off the transfer tape and it's done. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.